What's the meaning of ants? Ants. 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 Ants.
Ance is a suffix commonly used in English to form nouns from adjectives or verbs. It indicates a state, condition, quality, or action associated with the root word. For example, relevance is the state of being relevant, importance is the quality of being important, and performance is the action of performing. The addition of ance can also change the part of speech of a word, as in the case of observe, verb, becoming observance, noun. In short, ance adds depth and specificity to the meaning of a word by indicating its context or function within a sentence or phrase.